Stop waiting around to pay full price for Mewgenics. You are looking at one of the most anticipated tactical RPGs, and I'm going to show you exactly how I unlocked the full game on my Steam account for free using a simple redeemable code. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is this possible? It's simple. I use purr-mutations.com. Let me show you how it works. Once you're on the site, just search for Mewgenics. You'll see the main deal pop up. Click on it to go to the offer page. Now tap the Get Code button. When the next screen appears, click Show Coupon Code. Wait for the system to process the request. Once it's done, you'll see a code, but it's blurred out. To reveal it, just tap Get the Full Code. This brings you to the sponsor page. These are the partners that make these free codes possible. You'll see a list of apps. Just follow the instructions for each, whether it's downloading, running them for a few minutes, or reaching a specific level. Since I've already completed my tasks, the system knows I'm ready. See that? The tasks are done, and the code is revealed. Now it's ready to be copied and pasted directly into Steam to unlock the game. It's that easy. You get the full release without spending a dime. Don't waste your money on the store prices. Head over to purr-mutations.com right now, complete the steps, and grab your free copy of Mewgenics. If you have any trouble, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the game.